Alright, we're going to sharpen two pocket knives today. A buck tool and a little Pakistani. I like to clean them off. Use a little soapy water. And then I also got a really fine stone that I like to remove rust or any blemishes I see on the knives. Pretty simple. And of course, we get it on the fork sharp. We start with a 240 grit to reprofile the knives, get the angle at about 22 degrees. And then we go to 600, finish on 800 and stromping. Always checking for the burr. Alright, there's a leather belt right there. So just get rid of that little hair burr that's still there. And keep it at 800 grit. It'll shave hair, it'll cut paper, but it'll still give it a nice toothy edge. You'll see here in a second. Right there. We got the Pakistani hair shaving sharp.
Yep.
And then we got the buck
I can see you shave.
pocket knife. Yep, hair shaving sharp. Alright, thanks. Burn Strump. Hope this is helpful.